Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the Lume Wipes. Now these wipes are very popular on Amazon. They received 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you tired of feeling less than fresh during your busy day? Well, say hello to Lume Wipes, your new best friend for staying clean and confident no matter where life takes you. Designed with your comfort and convenience in mind, Lume Wipes provide a quick and effective way to refresh and rejuvenate your skin anytime, anywhere. Simply open the package, remove a wipe, and gently cleanse the desired area. It's that easy. Feel the instant freshness and get back to conquering your day with confidence. These wipes are a game changer, biodegradable, and environmentally friendly. Never leave home without them. They're perfect for travel, and Lume Wipes are gentle on sensitive skin and smell amazing. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.